am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, accounting and statistics, problem solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing and many more courses. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course. In your all assignment exam, you can see these grades. I have done this course for my other one student. You can see this grade. He got A+ grade in the all course. Okay. I am also handling many student courses. Please contact me for your assignment help, exam or complete course. Now focusing on the title of assignment. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movie. Okay, here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Okay, now moving on. Question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movies. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download it file from your portal easily. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. You can see this my file. Okay. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2, you want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contributes to the monthly movie downloads. Select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Create a pie chart and move it into chart sheet name April pie chart. Basically, this question we will have to create a pie chart using this ranges A5 to A10. First range is A5 to A10. You can copy this range. Moving on Excel workbook. First we enable editing. Okay, and you can enter this range in range area. First range is that and second range is that F5 to F10. Press Ctrl and select F5 to F10. Okay, then create a pie chart. Moving on Excel workbook, click on Insert tab, click on pie chart, recommended chart, click on pie chart, then press OK. Pie chart will be inserted here. You can see this. Then move the pie chart to new chart sheet April pie chart. Click on moving on Excel workbook and then click on move chart. Simply click on move chart, go to the move chart and then click on new sheet, and new sheet name is April pie chart. You can tap new sheet name April pie chart, then press OK. This chart will be moved on new sheet April pie chart. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question, question number 3. Okay, in question number 3, the chart needs a descriptive title that is easy to read. Tap April 2024 downloads by genre. As the chart title, apply bold 18 pt font size and black text one font color. You can copy this chart title. Basically, in this question we will have to apply a chart title on the chart. You can copy this chart title. Then moving on Excel workbook, click on chart title and you can tap chart title here. Then okay, then apply bold 18 pt font size. Moving on Excel workbook, click on chart title, go to the home tab, simply click on home tab and then click on bold. Then go to the pt font size, click on 18 point font size. Okay, 18 point, and then and black text one font color. You can go to the font color is here, click on home tab and then click on font color, black text font color. You can select black text font color and you can apply on this. This is good. Now moving on next question, question number 4. You can see this question number 4. Percentage and category data labels will provided identification information for the pie chart. Add data labels in the inside and position. Select the categories name and percentage label. Remove value, data label and legends. Apply 14 point font size and black text one font color to the data label. Okay, first we will add data label in the inside and position. Moving on Excel workbook, click on plus sign, click on data label inside and position. Data label will be inside and position. and then categories name and percentage label, remove value label and the legend. Moving on Excel workbook, then remove legend and click on data label, click on more options, remove show category and percentage, category category and percentage label, remove value labels. Okay, and then remove value labels, okay, in the legend. This is, and then close this. Then now apply 14 point font size and black text 1 font color to the data labels. Apply 14 pt size and apply text black 1 text font color on this data label. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now moving on next question, question number question number 5. You want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it is a changing it fill color. Explode the comedy slice 7% and dark red fill color. Explode the comedy slice 7%. Moving on Excel workbook. Here is comedy slide. You can select comedy slide. Okay. Explode it. Pie explosion is 7%. Okay. 7% and apply dark red fill color. Apply dark red fill color. Moving on, select this slice, comedy slice. Okay, then go to the home tab simply and go to fill color and then select red, and here is dark red fill color of this slice. Okay, close this. Now moving on next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is that a best practice is to include alt text for accessibility compliance. At alt text, the pie chart shows percentage of downloads by genre for April 2024. You can copy this. Moving on Excel workbook. Then right click on this chart, pie chart, then click on edit alt text. You can alt text add in this box and close this. Alt text will be added in this box. Now moving on next question, question number 7. You can see this, display the data sheet, select the range A4 to A10 and then A4 to G10 and then create a cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. Okay, basically in this question we will have to create a cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. You can copy first this range A4 to A10 on data sheet. You can select for enter this range and range area. First range is that and second range is F4 to G10. Second range is press Ctrl and select F4 to G10. Okay, two ranges are selected now, and then create a cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on Insert tab, then click on combo chart is here. Here is line on secondary axis combo chart. Line on secondary axis combo chart will be inserted here. This question is done now. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that you can see this. Question number 8 is that you want to position the chart below the data source. Cut the chart and paste it into cell A13. Change the height to 3.5% and 3.5 inches and width to 6 inches. Okay. First we will cut the chart and paste to A13. Right click on this and cut this chart and paste in cell A13. Okay. Then change the height and width. Height is 3.5 inches of this chart. You can copy this height and go to the click on format tab. First we will click on chart, then click on format tab, and you can set height is here and then width is here 6 inches. Here is width, you can set width is here. Okay, 6 inches. Now moving on next question. Total question of this assignment 21. Now I am on question number 9. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that change the combo chart title to April 2024 downloads. Apply black font text font color to the chart area. You can copy this chart title. Okay, now moving on Excel workbook, then click on chart title, then you can paste chart title here or type chart title in here. Chart title will be added here. Now apply black text font color to the chart title. Moving on Excel workbook, now click on home tab, then click on font color and then select black text font color. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that add a primary value access title and tab number of downloads, add secondary value access title and tab percentage of monthly downloads. Apply black text font color to the, okay, you can see this, add a primary. Basically in this question we will have to add a primary value access title and then add a secondary value access title. Primary value access title name is that number of downloads. Moving on Excel workbook, click on plus sign and click on exit title. We will click on primary horizontal and primary vertical. You can download, you can add this primary horizontal axis title, primary okay, primary horizontal axis title will be added here. Now secondary axis title is percentage of monthly downloads. Percentage of monthly download is secondary value access title. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on plus sign and then click on axis title. Here is secondary axis title is here. You can add this secondary value access title. Okay, you can see this. I have done primary and secondary, both access title is here. Now moving on, okay, sorry, apply black text font color on both value access title. You can select this and go to the home tab and then click on black text font color. You can select this and apply black text font color. You can select this and apply black text font color. You can select this and apply black text font color. You can select this and then apply black text font color on all access title. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question, question number 11. In question number 11 you can see this, remove the legends for the combo chart, display 0 decimal place for the secondary value axis. Okay, remove the legend for combo chart. Moving on Excel workbook, click on chart. Okay, right click on this and then remove the legends. You can see this. I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question you want to do it for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. Now moving on question number 12. You can see this question number 12. Apply light gradient asset 1 gradient fill color to the plot area. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on plot area, right click on this chart, right click on plot area, click on format plot area. Then you can see apply light gradient asset 1. Moving on Excel workbook, click on fill color and then select gradient fill color and then click on preset gradients. Okay, then here is light gradient asset 1 fill color. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is that question number 13. A best practice is to include all text for accessibility comprehensions. Okay, add all text. Basically in this question we will have to add all text on this combo chart. You can copy this all text. Moving on Excel workbook, then right click on this chart, then click on edit all text. Then you can tap or add all text in this box, then cross this. Okay, this is done now. You can see this. I have done 90%, 85% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your all assignment, exam, quiz and complete course. Okay, you can see these grades. I have done this course for my one student. He got A+ grade in their course. Okay, I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics and many more courses. Please subscribe my channel, likes my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.